we guide you through how to change country on Instagram. So the first thing you need to do is to open the Instagram app and log into your account. Then tap your profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, tap the three horizontal lines at the top right and select Settings and Privacy. From there, scroll down and look for Account Center. Then tap it and choose Personal Details or Account Settings, depending on your app version. Now, select country or region if the option appears and update it to the country you want to use. If you don't see the country option directly, you can also change your country by updating your account information, switching your professional account category, or by connecting to a different network location, which can influence your region settings. After updating the necessary details, make sure to save changes and refresh your app. Keep in mind that Instagram may automatically detect your country based on your IP address, activity, or connected Facebook account, so changes may take little time to reflect.